little soldering demonstration. So when you start soldering, the first thing you want to do is tack. Solder just the joint after you put some flux, because without flux it won't work. It just doesn't stick to it. So we are soldering on copper foil. Solder does not stick on glass, just the joint, and then we flux the whole copper there where you see copper. Usually just a little bit, it's enough. You don't have to put too much. You don't want the flux to go between the glass, but it will inevitably do that. And then you try to go feed the iron slowly, gradually, and you go. I like to solder towards me, so sometimes I move the piece if I can. And if I want to adjust a little bit, I just go deep with the tip and go out, not dragging it anymore. That's the first time I cover the copper with solder. I run through. But if I have to adjust a spot like this, the movement is different. This iron for me is the best. Light, it has a thermostat incorporated, little tip. I honestly use the thermostat anyway. Seems to me it does a better job when it has a thermostat. And then